Tank Tank400 Side Ladder Installation Guide. First, install the bracket onto the side ladder main body. Install screws. Four in total. Install the longitudinal bar clamp onto the rear of the longitudinal bar. Pay attention to the relative installation position. Place the side ladder main body onto the bracket for alignment. Ensure the charging cover can open normally. Confirm the position of the second longitudinal bar clamp. Install the second bracket. Mount the side ladder main body onto the vehicle. Peel off the adhesive pad film and attach the side ladder. Tighten all screws. Installation guide ends here. Thank you for choosing Tank400.